welcome to today's quick tip. Today's quick tip is a caution for DIY overload. I have seen so many brides with these great internet tools right now with Instagram and Pinterest and just your Google image searching and all these blogs that they come up with so many awesome DIY projects that they want to do, and sometimes the brides can get overwhelmed with their projects with the limited time that they have. So I suggest choosing maybe 3 or 4 to start with and giving yourself a time limit, and then reward yourself by saying, if you finish those within a certain time frame and within your budget, you're able to move on to the next set. So I just want to caution you, don't take on too much before your wedding. You can get overwhelmed. Happy wedding planning.